Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing an unboxing one. So let's unbox it. Let's move this out of the way. Right here we have the instructions. You can pause if you need to read these. Some more instructions on the back. Here's the camera itself. The cool thing with this camera is that it comes with a protective lens right here, so you don't have to buy one, but if you want to buy one, you can get these for pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description, as well as the link for this one in the description as well, if you want to buy them yourself. The way you use this camera is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is flip this switch like this, and it will turn on like this. However, one thing you're going to have to keep in mind is this does not come with the camera. So you're going to have to buy a chip to insert into there from like Walmart or something like that. For me, this is the one I bought. So, highly recommend getting this, otherwise the camera's pretty much not going to work. I'm not really sure what this button does yet, so you guys will have to figure that one out. And then this right here is how you put it onto a gun. You take this piece off like this, and you kind of like unscrew it like this, and it should slide onto the rail of a gun. Just keep in mind though that this piece right here is going to go in between two of the grooves on the rail. So just something to think of, because I know a couple times I've tried putting it on like this and it will get stuck and I'm like, what the heck's going on? And then I look down and I see this in the way. So that's your problem if you're trying it and it doesn't work. Anyways, I think you guys have seen me talk long enough. So let's actually try out the camera and see how good it is on the airsoft field. Here we go. All right, those are our guys moving forward right now. I tried to hit him. You're in the way. I'm sorry. Oh, nice shot. Nice shot. I do recall saying not to shoot. I totally think this camera was worth it. It performed way better than I thought it was going to, so that's kind of cool, as you saw in the clips. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hit that subscribe logo below and that like button below just to help me out. And it will also help you out because you can see some more awesome videos like this one. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, so if you want to see more, let me know in the comment box below. I'll have the link in the description, so be sure to check that out. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Check out this video too.